So, sample time. I got this from Shinearmor. So, thank you guys for sending me the sample. Let's see what they sent us. Fortify Quick Coat. Microfiber towel. More towel. Wow, thanks for all the towels. So, Fortify Quick Coat from Shinearmor. Again, thank you guys for sending me the sample to check out. And what it is a waterless wash, sign, and protect. Just to let you guys know, I typically don't use this type of product because I've always washed my car at home, so I've always had access to a garden hose. Now when this guy's contacting me to try this out, what draw my attention, of course, is the waterless wash because of this car. As you guys can see, if I just wash this car down, I could run into some major issue. Thing to note, it smells really good. It smells like candy. Don't drink it though. Don't drink it. So I saw somebody put one of these things on top of the hood and it starts to slide. Oh, almost did. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna put one right here, right lined up with this exhaust. So for testing later, right there. This is pretty neat, by the way. I guess it has like a locking mechanism like that to open. Yeah, that's cool. Wow, I could actually tell the difference right away. That's pretty cool. Alright. See that sliding test? Whoa, what? Okay. Wow, okay, that's actually pretty neat. Here last time I tried to test it on this dent. It actually slides instead of just tip over. This kind of shows you how smooth it is. This little thing with that little surface area doesn't fall over right there. So I'm not sure if the difference is going to go through the camera, but I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape. Maybe that'll help out. Alright, so as far as shine goes, I mean, it's a little hard to see on the camera, but it's definitely a lot more shinier on this side after I sprayed it versus this side right here. It's a different kind of shine. That just looks way cleaner. Now, is it super noticeable? Maybe not when your paint job kind of looks like this. Now again, I mean, the sliding test was pretty good. This thing is definitely a lot more smoother. As you guys can see right there, let me get the... So you guys can see, this one goes. I mean, I could even like literally put it down really slow, let go, and look, it just kind of follows my hand. Now the question is, am I gonna take this outside and spray water on this thing and see how it reacts? No. So unfortunately you guys aren't gonna see that because I'm not really interested in hosing down this car at all. So the Shinearmor was used on the right side here, and a regular car soap was used on the left side here. I mean, you could definitely tell the difference between the two. I mean, look at that. That is pretty amazing, actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually wipe the Shinearmor here and see if that does anything. This is more or less for my curiosity whether or not it's going to also do the same thing after it's been wet already. Alright, moment of truth. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's a big difference. I mean, the water just slides right off. That's pretty cool. It's pretty amazing. Alright guys, so here's my feedback for the Shinearmor. For the daily, it's actually not bad. Now, I'm not a fan of waterless wash because usually your daily will get all the grime, dirt, and all that stuff. And if you use waterless, you might just scratch up your paint. Now if you're like me, I'd probably wash it first and then use this almost like as a coat. But I'm not the type to buff up my car, so this is kind of neat that I could just wash the car, spray this on it, wipe it off really quick, and I'm set. Now for this car, for something like a project car, definitely be a fan of this thing. Mainly because there are things on this car that I can't do, like hose it down. So this thing is going to be really useful when just trying to clean it up. So the question is, will I buy something like this? And well, you saw what happened to the project, also what happened to the daily. So my answer is yes.